If you've ever wished you could quickly gather lots of information from a website, maybe for research, a project, or just your own curiosity, today's tutorial is perfect for you. I'm going to show you how to easily extract multiple web pages using the Google Chrome extension called Instant Data Scraper. By the end of this video, you'll be able to collect structured data from almost any site in just a few clicks. Let's get right into it. First, fire up your Chrome browser and head to the search bar. Type in Instant Data Scraper, or if you have another web scraping tool in mind, you're free to use that instead. For a beginner or someone looking for speed and simplicity, Instant Data Scraper is a top pick. It's got a stellar 4.9 star rating, and it's frequently praised as one of the fastest web scrapers out there. When you find it in the Chrome Web Store, just click Add to Chrome. The installation takes only a moment. You'll know it's done when you see the small scraper icon pop up next to your address bar. Next, navigate to the website you'd like to collect data from. Maybe you're researching product information, compiling search results, or aggregating a list of job postings. Whatever your project, this step is the foundation. Let the page fully load, then look for the Chrome extension icon you just added. Click on it, and Instant Data Scraper will spring to life, scanning the page for any tables or patterns it can read. This might take a couple of seconds, so don't worry if you see a short loading animation. Now, here's where things get interesting. Many pages have a Next button for pagination, so you aren't limited to just the data on your current view. Find the Locate Next button function in the extension and give it a click. This part helps the tool understand how to move through multiple pages and fetch everything you need, not just what's visible right now. You'll then manually click the Next button on the site, just once, and the scraper will learn how to follow that button for each new page. It's kind of like teaching a robot to turn a page in a book over and over until it's finished. When you're ready, hit Start Crawling. For large data sets, this might take a few minutes, but the extension gives progress updates as it loops through each page. If this part is taking longer than expected, don't worry. Websites with lots of pages or complicated layouts might need a bit more time. Take a breather and let it work its way through the content. Once Instant Data Scraper has finished, you'll see all your collected data neatly organized, ready for export. You can download it directly as a CSV or Excel, XLSX file, or you can simply copy everything and paste it wherever you need. Choose whatever format makes sense for your workflow. CSVs work well for numbers and spreadsheets, while copying may be quicker for simple lists or text. And here's a pro tip. Before you dive into analysis or share your findings, give your scraped data a quick cleanup. Sometimes you'll find extra columns, formatting issues, or duplicate entries. These are easy to tidy up in Excel or Google Sheets. And that's it. You've just harvested data across multiple web pages with no coding required. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical guides like this. If you run into any issues, or if there's a specific site you need help scraping, just drop your question in the comments and I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching, and happy scraping.